Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can host your own website on your own VPS, and if you don't have a VPS already, it's all fine. You can look online and you should be able to find options for VPSs for free, such as DigitalOcean and Linode. They both offer $100 to $200 credits when you first start with them for the first, I think, like 6 months, something like that. I do have Tourette syndrome, so that's going to be a little bit different. But it won't happen too often. It's only when I get a little bit stressed. But basically, what we're going to do now is we're going to actually make the first part of our site. So, hello world. And then we're going to do H3. This is your first static hosted site. Enjoy it. Then we're going to do body, display, flex, text, align, center, flex, direction, row. This will basically make it a centered row. Column? I think I did that wrong. Yep, there it is. But yeah. Basically, once we do that, that's literally all we need to do for now. If you want, you can add a little bit of JS, whatever you think is good. For now, we're just going to do this. If you want to add JS, I'll make another tutorial on that later. But once we do that, we're going to log into our VPS. And I already did some of it just to practice beforehand. So yeah, once you log into your VPS, all you need to do is install NGINX and all that. So I already have it installed, but you can type in apt-get install NGINX. And also, if you want, it would be useful if you could install Git just for later on. It usually already installs, it usually comes preset with the Debian OS and so with Ubuntu. But basically, now that we've done that, we're going to create our web root. So our web root is where all of our files are going to be hosted. Basically where all of our files are going to be hosted. So we're going to mkdir, which is going to make a directory, /var, /www, / for example, myweb. And now we're going to cd into that. So cd will change your directory. There we go. So now that we've done that, we're going to nano, so that'll basically make a new file and take us into it. So we're going to nano index.html and paste that. If you want, just to make it look a little bit prettier, you can do body tags. So body, and then tab those out a little bit. Now that you've done that, you can close that, and then nano style.css. You already noticed what I did wrong. I'll fix it. Well, I hope you already noticed. But I accidentally forgot to include the CSS. Link. And then we're going to do href equals. And then we're going to do /style.css rel equals style sheet. So rel is the actual type of it. So now that we've done that, we're going to do this. And now all you need to do is cd that. So that will take us back. Then we're going to do cd/etc/NGINX. That'll basically take us to our NGINX configurations. This is what comes when you already install NGINX. So now what you're going to do is you're going to nano site available /sites. /default. This will take us to the default configuration file. If you already have one, it might look a little bit different than this. But what you're going to do is you're going to delete all of it if it comes with any content inside of it, and do server. And then we're going to open those brackets. And now we're going to do listen 80. Root is going to be /var www and then my web, which is what we named it. Then index is going to be index.html and index.htm. I would recommend putting HTML just in case the web browser supports something different. Then we're going to do location slash, which is going to tell it when we're at the slash location. So when we're at the main route for the website, it's going to show this. So we're going to do try file. So it's going to try slash, it's going to try the URL first, or URI, sorry. And then it's going to try the directory, which is URI slash. And then if nothing is found, it's going to do the 404 page. So once you've done that, that's essentially all you need for now, unless you're going to add certificates later, and I'll show you that in another video. But now that you've done that, we're going to do ln to link symbolically, so ln-s to link symbolically. And then we're going to do we're going to do sites available / default, and we're going to link it with sites enabled. So now if we do cat enabled / default, which will show us all of the file contents, it's the exact same thing. Hold on a minute. Let me become a little bit smarter for a second. What is happening? ls sites enabled default. So yeah, that is a. Oh, I know what it's doing. Sites enabled / default, because it doesn't have an extension to it. So yeah, that will link itself later on. But now that we've got those file contents saved, we can do sudo systemctl restart NGINX. It's going to show us an error, of course, because NGINX loves to show errors. So status NGINX. Basically what's happening is it is, let's see, default, no such file available, so it's not linking it for some reason. So what we can do to link it is make sure, first of all, that the symbolic link is actually working. You might need to do /etc /NGINX / sites available default sites enabled / Let me just troubleshoot this really quickly. Then recreate the symbolic link. There we go. Systemctl restart NGINX. Systemctl status NGINX. What exactly is happening? What the? Oh. So basically what's happening now is it's apparently getting something unexpected. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the configuration file. Now this will happen a lot, especially if you're a developer, so just be ready for that to happen. It's because I forgot to add a semicolon at the end of this, so it had no idea that it was supposed to be doing that. So systemctl restart. Now if we go to our IP, we're going to restart it, and boom! Hello world, this is your first static hosted site. That is literally all it takes to host your own website. If you want to add something, all you need to do is go back to nano /var www myweb /index.html. Add whatever you want. So for example, I can add p /p. Do you like it? If you like it, please like and subscribe. Boom. And yes, guys, please like and subscribe, because this is my first video ever, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. But boom, you have it perfectly refreshing. So now I am going to basically end this video for now. And the next video I'm going to make is how to actually host this on your own domain, which does cost money. So of course, domains always cost money, but yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Comment in the comment section below, and also hit the notification bell, subscribe, and like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!